Hey everyone, now I will show you how to use Microsoft Word Mobile. Install this MS Word Mobile and here you have this option. Click on this plus options, you will have all this document here. Different patterns, designs you can select. If you want to edit this one, click on this. It will come here. Now you can change your title if you want to make any title. Just make title, subtitle, and if you want to change color, just select this one, select all, or select this only this one and change color from here. Below you will see this colors option, and bold, italic, underline, all these options are here. And if you want more options, then click on this point. You will have this tab, home tab, insert, draw, layout, review and view. In home tab you have all this writing, editing options. You can select highlights, font color. If you want to highlight, click on this highlight point, highlight this one. And if you want to apply bullets, click on this and apply bullets. Like this you can apply. Okay. If you want to remove, just click on none. Click on this plus button and select blank document. I will show you how to make flowcharts. Just click on here, select insert tab and select shape from here. Like this we are selecting shapes, and select any shape here. Like this I am selecting this box. Make this box and click and add text. Click on add text, write any matter like here, and then select, go to home tab, increase size, and then go to insert tab. Select any line here. Like this we just selected this line, and attach this, keep it like this straight. Now go to shape again, select shape from here. If you want to change line color or insert new shapes, round, boxes, you can select any shapes from here. Like I am selecting this one, and this point you can increase degree size. You can drag like this and keep it. If you want to rotate, you can rotate from this point. Now if you want to change color of your tag box, here you have this shape option, fill. Click on this fill and change color, box color. If you want this line color, click on line, go to this, select any color you have. Now I will show you how to insert table. Click on this plus option here and take blank page and go to insert tab. In insert tab we have this table option. Click on table. You'll see this table here. This is our table. If you want to increase size of your table, just click on this arrow point and drag. You can increase like this, increase or decrease size of your table. If you want to take new row or column, just click on this table. Below you see this insert option. Click on this insert. Here you have this insert above, below, left, right. Above, below will be rows, left, right will be columns. Just click on above, you will have one more row here. Click here and in insert left, you will have this column here. If you want to delete this column, just take back, click on this delete option and select which rows or column you want to delete. Just go to delete column. Like this you can delete, or if you want to delete row, just click delete row. If you want to delete this whole table, just click and delete table. Like this you can do. Take back if you want to take colors. Just select table style here and apply any color. Like this you can apply this color. This is how you can take table in Microsoft Word Mobile. Thank you for watching.